distinguished students, dear students, and ladies and gentlemen. I'm really honored and pleased to be here at IIT Mandi. Your campus is surrounded by, and there were 4,000 people from the public. And so feel free to jump in anytime if you have any questions. Anyway, after my remarks, then I will take the questions from. So now we are going to explore how our two countries have connected over the years, from the past to the present, and even looking ahead to the future. So let's start by talking about Korea now. K-pop to the addictive dramas and mouth-watering K-food, like the kimchi and spicy noodles, the ramen. Anyway, can you believe it? Anyway, and we got something else in common, that is the Buddhism. Okay? Just yesterday until this morning, I was in Dharamshala. So Tibetan Buddhism is based there because of the situation in Tibet. And I realized that the Tibetan Buddhism is quite original to the original Buddhism. But so some Korean Buddhist monks, they came to Dharamshala to learn Tibetan Buddhism, even Tibetan language, because through Tibetan language they can study the books. And in the 4th century, strategic and practical cooperation with India. Our President Yoon Suk-yeol, and your Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, share the view that our special strategic partnership should be further enhanced and developed, as we share the values and philosophy of democracy, rule of law, and human rights, and also market economy. So last year, the theme song was the winner of the short video clip of our embassy, our embassy to the Oscar-winning movie Aurora. Would you like to see it? Yes.
This is the Himachali deity. felicitation. So I will now Embassy of the Republic of Korea for the felicitation. Sir, Mr. Jung Yo, the Science Attaché of the Republic of Korea. Thanks. Now we have Ms. Lee Choi, First Secretary. Dr. Young Sarai. Next we have Mr. Wu Chang Chang, Country Director, Korea. Yes, please. And then we have Mr. Anshu Joshi, IPCRI researcher, who has helped us enormously to arrange this event. Thank you so much.